How to fix Shopify opening soon. The first thing we have to do is limit the access to our website until we're done finishing it. And the way we do this is we go to our online store here on the left. And from the drop down, we want to go to Preferences. And now you want to scroll down all the way until you see Password Protection. And now you want to tick this box which says Restrict Access to Visitors with Password. And what that does is it will limit visitors who don't have the password so they can't access your page. For example, you can set the password here and you can give it to specific people who need to review your page. And you can also add a custom message for your visitors so they know what's going on. After you're done with that, you just save the changes up here. And after that, you want to go to your settings again. And you go to Apps and Sales Channels. And you go to your Shopify App Store. And from here, you want to download this app called Pagefly Landing Page Builder. And I already have it installed here, so I just open the app and it will open it in a new window like this. And then you just follow the instructions here and you can choose a default opening soon page, and it will be very easy to customize and so on. So that's how you fix Shopify opening soon. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.